Hey guys, today we're going to be restarting this broken iPhone 6 with a broken screen that doesn't work. Hopefully it could be revived. Also, I'm recording this on my iPhone 8. And as you can tell, the screen has been replaced before because it's a color screen. And this is also going to be the screen I'm going to replace so it could match the gold color in the back. Now let's start the repair. We have to first have to take out the two pencil screws in the bottom. Time to open up the phone. Screen has been removed. Remove everything from the screen and put it back to the new screen. But I can't get out. Tricky. And it's pretty easy to take this out. You just gotta be careful. There it is. The camera / speaker piece. Put that to the side. Let's take a big boy, which is pretty easy. Let me zoom out. These ports. And that's pretty. Easy, but it's actually one of the hardest parts to put back. Yeah, there's already put everything. Let's see if the power's on. Oh, truth. Let's go. No lines, nothing. Oh shit, there it goes. Finally done with restoring the iPhone 6. Now turn it on and test the Touch ID. Also, I'm going to do a camera test between the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 8 and test some other things too. Alright guys, I'm going to give you two pictures and y'all tell me which is from the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 8 and I'll tell you you're right, alright?
I haven't received it yet.
I'm giving it to you like right now, dude. Can you like wait? Can you just like at least wait? Okay? Can you wait? Can you at least do that?
Oh.
Damn, I'm getting 10.
You're special, dude.
I want to send you like in 5 minutes because just cause. Okay.
It has that rose pink. I think it's fantastic.
Is it
Wonderful.
Is it okay? Which phone is it from?
And
6 picture? That's an iPhone 6 picture?
No?
actually, wait, 6? Hold on, let me see.
Le puedo
I'm
llevar
gonna tell you when you're right at the end. All right.
I think that's iPhone 8. I think it's iPhone 8.
Oh, okay. The tree. Is this iPhone 6 or iPhone 8?
So the second one is iPhone 8. The first one is iPhone 6. I don't know,
Alright, now the Mustang. Which one's the
Well-
iPhone 8 and which one's iPhone 6?
I think that both of the pictures are gay.
He left the party.